Hello, guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if you're interested in earning money through Fantasy Premier League, this guide will explain various methods and important considerations. So, FPL is a free game that offers prizes to top ranking managers each season. These prizes include VIP match experiences, gaming consoles, and official merchandise as well. So always check the official FPL prize rules for current season offerings. And many private mini leagues require an entry fee, with the collected funds forming a prize pool distributed among the highest ranked players at the season's end. Before joining, ensure that you trust the league organizers and carefully review the prize distribution rules as well. Only participate if the paid entry fantasy contests are legal in your location. And some website communities and content creators host FPL competitions offering cash gifts, gift cards, and other rewards, and always verify the legitimacy of the organizer before entering. And if you have expertise in FPL, you can earn money by creating content on platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, or any other social media platform. As your audience grows, you can monetize through advertising revenue, scholarships, affiliate marketing, or fan memberships as well. And you can also become an FPL coach or consultant in the Discord communities or coaching platforms. This option is typically viable after establishing a strong track record and reputation. And some fantasy sport platforms offer cash contests based on football. Before participating, confirm that the platform operates legally in your country and understand the rules, fees, and associated risk. And there is no guaranteed way to earn money from Fantasy Premier League. Success depends on the football knowledge, strategic planning, and consistent performance throughout the season. And never spend more money than you can comfortably afford to lose in the paid entry competitions. And be aware of the scams or individual promising guaranteed profits. So, this guide outlines potential avenues for earning money through Fantasy Premier League. Achieving success, whether through official prizes, private leagues, or content creation, requires skill, patience, and consistency. So, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.